What's up, everyone? It's Cody, and today we're going to trade this acoustic guitar plus 50 bucks for a rear end out of a Crown Vic police car. Hi. Yeah, I skate.
I bought that longboard like last week. Dude, I bought it such a good deal. It's a land yacht, so they're stupid expensive.
Oh, yeah.
I got it for $100 off some chick or some guy he bought it for his wife, and she rode it twice, and like that was it. It was like basically brand new. Dude, I rode it once and absolutely just started destroying the grip tape because immediately I'm like, can I heel flip this? And I can.
Maybe a hat. Oh man, this is gonna be tight.
Yep. Yeah, it is. We know for a comfortable ride up front.
Hell yeah, brother man.
This is gonna suck. I hope you know that.
Can I get a Whopper?
Y'all got Big Macs?
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I feel so served. Can I get a BLT, please, and a large check?
It's a protege! Oh my god!
With a muffler!
You never see proteges, let alone one with a muffler. So I'm predicting a reasonably smooth operation, and Zach is predicting
An absolute mess. It's gonna be 3 hours minimum.
3 hours minimum. We'll be there for 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to this.
No.
But YouTube said it was easy.
YouTube's a lie.
Is it? Why would the internet lie?
I should have specified no shitty cars in my driveway.
Oh, fuck, we'll help you out with that. What's up, dude?
Hold on, bunch you?
Road tripping? Road tripping for parts?
Yeah, I can see that.
How are you parting this out again?
Transmission died for the second time in 2 years, and I was not spending the $3,000 that they were estimating it would take to fix it.
Yep.
I spent $3,000 once already. I'm not doing it again.
Yeah.
So the highest offer I got for the whole car was $800, and I'm like, well, I would like more money than that, but at the same time, I'm not going to get that with the transmission not working. So
Yeah. Mine was going when I got my car. It was banging in overdrive and like slipping on the highway.
yeah.
And then I just changed oil in the filter and did the J mod. Mint. Like, it's like better than new.
Mine started doing that, and by the time I got home the first time, it didn't have any gears. Like, it literally did nothing. It was basically everything was neutral.
Yeah.
Except for I had first gear. So.
All right, we're gonna try to chip away at it here, do it as fast as we can, I suppose. We've never done this before, so this is a
Neither
first
have I.
time for us. But
Generally, I keep the rear end on my car as long as I can, or
Well,
keep it sideways down the road.
my axle bearings are going on mine, and
Well, the rear axles and the bearings were all replaced in
Mint.
Still starts and runs. It's loud as fuck. My neighbors love me.
I was about to say, like, neighbors love me. I get.
Because it looks like a taxi. You'd think more people would want it.
No propane, no propane.
Man, I hated that. Those were only hand tight. Those were.
Oh, nice.
Works for me.
Well, it's just because Devin used them to.
So I know it's really hard to see us right now. It's because it's, what, 11 o'clock? 10:30, 11?
10:36.
10:36. We made pretty good time. Got the axle out. Turns out YouTube wasn't wrong this time. Just a couple of near seas bolts. Just Canadian rust. But now we're heading home. And we're going to grab some grub on the way. Thanks for watching. I don't even know if this is the end of this video. I might even just cut this to where I'll put the axle into the car and then do drifts and burnouts. It's going to be sick. Yeah, we're going home and get some grub. Peace.
Oh, what am
Hello everyone, it's 8:50 in the morning. I'm about to go drop my car off at a shop here in town. Get the rear axle put in because I don't have the means to do it myself at home. So let's get some limited slip going. So I have an SCT4 tuner here. I have a few files from Moe's Speed Shop. I'm going to upload the tune to the car that recognizes that it obviously has a full dual exhaust because I haven't updated that for a while, and that is getting 355 gears put into it. Otherwise, the gearing is going to be all messed up. So, see how she goes. All right, we're at 95% and we're beeping. Come on, come on. Perfect. Turn vehicle off. And turn key on. Processing data. Complete. Vehicle is now tuned. You are now a race car. So I'll yeah, I'm gonna go to work. Let these guys throw this axle in the car, and hopefully I'll come back to pure limited slip diff joy. Yo, late time Cody here. So after a bit of research and talking to a few people, I am like 90% certain that the clutch packs in that rear axle that I just put in are pretty worn out. Likely the original clutch packs that were in it from factory. So I put the power to the axle, and it just one wheel peels mostly. So a little bit of maintenance is required. But anyway, I'm basically explaining that's why what you're about to see is going to look like trash, because this is me figuring out, oh, I'm still mostly doing one wheel peels. Single tire fires. Enjoy, I guess. Here it is. Alright, let's see what happens. we must leave. Canadian police are not good. But thankfully we're in Mexico, so no worries there. Yeah, not what I expected. I feel like it didn't lock up the way I wanted it to, because I was putting the pressure down and then it felt like it was only one wheel spinning. So maybe I suck, or that the clutch packs and the axle need to be swapped out. Not quite sure. Because this is a used axle and it's probably the original clutch packs that are in it. It doesn't spin, like it just doesn't lock up the way I thought it would though. Maybe just a learning curve, but still fun. Better than open diff. That was this episode. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.